everyone, this is Cosmos Airdrop. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to earn a lot of TRX into your Trust wallet immediately. Now this is a simple bot, and what you just need to do is to perform all these 5 activities right here and earn a lot of TRX in your Trust wallet instantly. So what you're going to do is to click on the start button, which will be on the description of this video. I'll be placing the bot right there, the bot link, and I'll also be placing the bot link right there on Telegram and also on Twitter. So what you're going to do is to simply click on the bot and click on start. So go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel right here. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe on the YouTube. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. Then you can go back and join the Telegram channel. So this is the first Telegram channel. You're going to go and click on join. You're going to slide back away and join the second Telegram channel. So this is what the second Telegram channel looks like, and after that you're going to join the Cosmos Airdrop Telegram group. So once you are done with the group, you're going to follow up on our daily tweets. So you're going to have us right here on your Twitter. So go ahead and follow us up on Twitter. So simply click on follow right here, and you're going to slide back. This is where you get your profile. This is where you will get the people that you will refer, like the amount of referral that you have. This is where you can set your wallet. You can go ahead and input your Trust wallet address right here. Then this is where you can withdraw. So once you click on the withdrawal, you can be able to withdraw instantly. Now the statistics shows you everything about the bot, and you can click on support if you have any issue with this. So that is a simple way for you to earn a lot of TRX into your Trust wallet. So proceed with this right away and start earning a lot of tokens.